pedal has been there for ages, but we're gonna expand that period. Hi, my name is Vorst, and together with Ignacio de los Hoyos, we redesigned the pedal. We looked at almost every pedal in the market. Ignacio is one of the biggest fans of pedals, and he got one of the biggest collections in the world. We've made drawings of every pedal we could find. We took inspiration from every pedal we saw and made 4 unique designs that make these pedals better than ever. We've designed stainless steel pedals that will last you a lifetime. 2 small versions, perfect for everyday carry. We also made 2 large pedals, perfect for bigger drawings or bigger visibility for your audience. Took care of every single pedal that went into our hands. And we've made sure that every detail is correct. The stainless steel looks super classy, and if you're ever in need for more grip, we've included those as well. Every pedal was made with a Dutch protocol. That means design it, use it, test it, check it, and having very high standards. We are so proud of these pedals. You can do literally everything with it. They will last you a lifetime. Ignacio only said one thing to me when we finished it up.
Este truco tiene siglos, y esta versión perdurará por siglos.